What's up, y'all? I'm Anna the Archer. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put on an AMS bowfishing rig on your old bow, your old compound bow. So all you need is this base plate right here and your two screws. And what you're going to do, you see those two holes, you're just going to line up the screws, put this base plate on, and you need an Allen wrench set so you can tighten these down. All right, y'all, it's pretty simple to put on. There's the screw, you insert it into here, and you want to hold this in place so you can kind of get it on there. It can go forward and backwards as much as you need to move it. So if you need to move it like off your screws here, see how it's kind of overlapping my screws on my rest, you can move it forward, and you can move it up and down as well. So wherever you need this to be your most comfortable, then once you have it in the right place, you're just going to lock it down and you're good to go. And then you're going to take this piece, stick it on your bow here. And then next step is putting the arrow on. It's 200-pound test line. And at the end of it, you'll see it comes with this already attached, which is what you want to put on your arrow. And so these arrows came with it. And they already have one on here, but we're going to take this one off and use this one instead. Keep this part right here because you don't want to lose that. And then you're just gonna undo that.
Put it somewhere else.
Yep. And then we're gonna put this back on the line. So you'll just slide it on.
Yeah. And
then re-screw this piece in. Right, so you got your bow fishing arrow hooked on the line, and you can attach it to your bow. Make sure that screw is up at the top, faces up. And to reel it in, you're gonna apply a little pressure onto the trigger, and then you're just going to reel. And you're ready for your next shot. It's pretty simple to set up, and it's a pretty no-fail bow fishing reel. I like it, especially if you have an old bow lying around. You can toss this on it and you're ready to go.